Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about this wig, this unit. It is from VSHOW hair and I got this wig, hold on just a second. Okay, so I got this wig about 7 months ago, and when I was styling it today, I don't know, like maybe it's that I don't wear it that much, because the wigs that I do wear, like the lace is tearing, it's patching, you know what I mean? But like right here, like I was able to part it all nice. Honestly, I should put some concealer on it so it has more of a visible part, but honestly this wig has done me pretty well. I wear it straight for the most part. I think I have a photo, but in that photo I didn't really straighten my hair that well, but that's the photo. And I mean, it gets me, it's pretty durable, honestly, for the time that it's lasted for, because I usually switch out my wigs. Like I'll be like, okay, let me wash all 3 of them, okay, I'll wear this one, then I'll wear this one. I don't usually go back and forth between wigs, so this one has lasted me pretty well. The lace is pretty good. When I was bleaching the knots, that was really good. I just realized that I never did an initial review on the wig, so y'all never even knew that I purchased it. Y'all only know about Arabella hair, but I'll be doing a review on that one too, because a lot of people were asking for a 1 month review, and here I am 7 months later. But anyways, this wig it's a pretty good wig for it being 7 months, you know, into it, and I can see myself wearing it for a while actually. But I do want to get new wigs. I really want to try water wave. I really want to get like an afro-ish wig, honestly, and not like kinky afro, but like a super curly like afro with bangs and stuff. But that's pretty much it, honestly. Like this hair has been really good to me, if I'm being honest. I wouldn't say I've been so good to it, because honestly y'all, like I'm still learning. Like look, the lace is right here. The lace doesn't come all the way down because I didn't cut it right, and it's like, I don't know, I make it work, you know. That's what you gotta do. You gotta make it work for the time being, and that's what I've been doing this whole time pretty much. But that is pretty much my review. Honestly, I thought I was gonna have more to say, but if I'm being honest, this is a really good wig. I believe this is an 18-inch. So 18-inch. It might be body wave if I'm being honest, and it could, and I think it's 130 density. Now, if I can find it, I will let y'all know, but I will be putting the company in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your days. Currently it is, what time is it? Currently 3:01 where I am right now, and I'm hungry and I'm not ready to go to bed, so. But I just did my makeup, as you can see, and I will be posting this look if you want to see it on my channel. Be on the lookout for that. And thank you so much for supporting me, for clicking on this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.